Welcome to the best picks. The best sensitive skin razors is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your daily grooming routine, especially if you have sensitive skin that's prone to irritation, razor burn, or ingrown hairs. Finding the right razor can be the difference between a comfortable shave and a painful experience. This video will cover the top razors designed specifically for sensitive skin, helping you choose the perfect tool for a smooth, irritation-free shave every time. Number 5. BIC Flex 5 Holiday Shaving Kit. This holiday season, give the gift of a smooth, comfortable shave. The BIC Flex 5 kit is the perfect stocking stuffer for the man in your life. It includes one razor handle and 7 cartridges, everything he needs for a close shave. That's 8 pieces in total, ready for gifting. Experience the difference of 5 ultra-thin, flexible blades. They provide a long-lasting, smooth shave, even on sensitive skin. It features a lubricating strip with aloe and vitamin E. This helps to protect and soothe the skin during shaving. The pivoting head and ergonomic handle make it easy to reach those hard-to-shave areas. Enjoy a precise and comfortable shave every time. Once the cartridges are used, simply replace them with new ones. It's a sustainable and cost-effective way to keep shaving smoothly. What we like. It comes with multiple refills, so you don't need to buy new razors frequently. Its 5 blades provide a smooth shave. If you have sensitive skin and want a long-lasting, smooth shave with added skin care benefits, you should consider this razor kit. What people say. They are good when I go slow. With these blades I have to pull the blade slow and lightly across my face, listening to the pitch of the sound the blade makes. A low-pitched sound is how it should be. If I pull the blade too fast across my face, the pitch of the sound of the blade raises and I will likely get a nick. After each pass on my face, I push the blade in the opposite direction on my leg to clean the blade. I use shaving soap and lather up my own foam. I get about 3 good uses before I need a replacement. Good uses to me means, no razor burn, skin is still fine if I wasn't able to do aftercare, no resistance, smooth glide against the grain. For last couple years I have issues with razors blades because they are not sharp enough like back in the days. Even the biggest brand is not good after first shave, but Bic doing every good job. At first I bought them for try and I find them very sharp even for second shave. Number 4. Schick Hydro Sensitive Razor. Experience the ultimate in shaving comfort with our new razor. It's designed with sensitive skin in mind, providing a smooth, irritation-free shave every time. This razor features a comfort coating and skin guards on every blade to protect against irritation. Enjoy an easy glide and a close shave without the discomfort. Dermatologist tested and equipped with 7 cushioning gel pools, it hydrates and soothes your skin. Aloe and provitamin B5 ensure a comfortable shave. Get an average of 18 shaves per cartridge thanks to our durable blades. Enjoy a close, long-lasting shave with every use. It auto-adjusts to your shaving style, providing optimal pressure for a truly customized experience. Get the perfect shave, every time. Easily transform it into a precision edger for crisp lines and hard-to-reach areas. Achieve the perfect look with ease. This razor handle is compatible with any Schick Hydro refill cartridge. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. What we like. This razor has skin guards to protect your skin from irritation. The cushioning gel pools and shock absorption technology provide extra comfort. If you are looking for maximum comfort and a customized shaving experience, this is the razor for you. What people say. Have tried many razors over the years and these are my favorite and provide the best shave with little irritation. I get the closest shave and I can shave a lot faster with these razors. I never nick or cut myself with these. The product has an excellent 5-blade system with a moisturizer bar, however, you can flip that piece back for an even closer shave. Number 3. Gillette SkinGuard Razor. Tired of razor burn and irritation? It's designed for sensitive skin, minimizing blade contact for a comfortable shave. It uses only 2 blades, but it's uniquely designed to protect your skin. This means you won't get as close a shave as with more blades, but your skin will thank you. See that skin guard between the blades? That's key. It protects your skin from irritation as you shave. It provides lubrication before and after the blades, ensuring a smooth, comfortable glide across your skin. It also features a precision trimmer on the back, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and for detailing your facial hair. This refill fits all existing SkinGuard handles, making it easy to keep your shaving routine going. What we like. It's designed to minimize blade contact with your skin, reducing irritation. It has a lubrication strip for a smooth shave. If you have sensitive skin and are prone to razor burn or irritation, this razor is a great option. What people say. The shave is easy on your skin and not harsh. You do have a bit more of a 5 o'clock shadow, but they don't leave as many, if any, ingrown hairs. The design is clearly made with comfort in mind. The blades glide smoothly without pulling, and the SkinGuard feature helps reduce the pressure on my skin, which I believe has been the key to minimizing irritation. It is so smooth that it feels like it is just shaving off the shaving cream, but the whiskers are gone. No tugging, scrapping, or pulling. Number 2. Gillette Mach 3 Sensitive Razors. Experience the closest shave ever with our new Gillette Mach 3 Sensitive Razors. They're designed for sensitive skin, so you can get a smooth shave without irritation. It provides a closer shave than other disposable razors. Say goodbye to redness and hello to a comfortable shave. These razors are clinically proven to be gentle on sensitive skin. You can trust it to deliver a comfortable and irritation-free shave. The superior cartridge geometry ensures a smooth, close shave every time. It's designed for superior performance and comfort. Experience the smooth glide of our Power Glide blades with advanced coating. It reduces cutting force for an exceptional first shave. Its pivoting head effortlessly follows the contours of your face. Enjoy a smooth, comfortable shave every time. What we like. It's clinically proven to be suitable for sensitive skin and helps reduce redness. It's a disposable option, convenient for travel or short trips. If you want a convenient, sensitive skin-friendly disposable razor that delivers a close shave, this is a good choice. What people say. Only razors that work for my sensitive skin. Been using them for several years. No more bumps or rash. They are soft and do not sting when used. They last quite a while. Right out of the package on first use, I thought the blade cover was still on. That smooth of a shave. Happy so far, will buy more. Number 1. Gillette Mach 3 Sensitive Razor. Experience the ultimate in shaving comfort. It's designed specifically for sensitive skin, providing a smooth, irritation-free shave. This razor features an enhanced lubricating strip compared to the Mach 3. This helps to glide smoothly across your skin, reducing irritation. It boasts 3 DuraComfort blades for exceptional comfort and a closer shave than the Sensor 2. Enjoy a noticeably smoother result. The open blade architecture makes rinsing incredibly easy. Keep it clean for optimal performance, shave after shave. Each blade refill provides up to 15 comfortable shaves. That's exceptional value and lasting performance. This handle is compatible with all Mach 3 blade refills. It's a smart, convenient choice for your shaving needs. What we like. It has an enhanced lubricating strip to help fight irritation. The 3 DuraComfort blades provide a comfortable shave. If you value a comfortable shave with easy rinsing and long-lasting blades, this is a great option. What people say. It gives my husband a smooth, clean shave. He can use it for several weeks. The metal handle features a textured rubber grip lending a sense of quality. The rubber really hits the RD with the cartridge itself. The M3 has always sported fine blades to last a good damn while. Excellent razor, no nicks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.